Tired of your old skins? Go ahead and check out Pirate Swap. On Pirate Swap you can trade your old skins for new ones instantly without the hassle of dealing with middlemen or shady traders. And by using my special code AlexG you can get yourself 35% bonus to your deposit and bonuses on your first trade. Check out Pirate Swap and enjoy your new fresh skins. Yo, what is going on? It's of course your boy AlexG, guys. We are back on Casehug with 600 in the balance today. If you want to play on the site, make sure you are 18 plus or above, and if you want to play on it and deposit, you can use my code AlexG for 20% bonus and $1 if you are a new player, completely new. And then also by entering the code you got a chance to receive one of these items for free with your deposit. No risk, you know, just use the code, and if you deposit over $2, which I assume you will, then you have a chance to get one of these items with your deposit, so up to $270. Sorry for the notification, guys. It was mine. I know you already checked your phone probably. So yeah, let's go to the case battles. We will start lightly today. Yeah, it's quite early for me, so I know I might sound a little different, but still, you gotta do what you gotta do. And you know how it is. First thing in the morning that I do is fucking open cases. So you guys already know me, right? Let's do some Arcana, and let's do Babushka and Gloves. So we have 8 cases. Obviously we gotta borrow a bit. I think we do 80% borrow, so $200. We start with 1v1, and then if this battle works, we will move into the 2v2v2. So let's get it. All right, I don't know what I'm clicking, guys. I'm literally feeling so stupid, but that's again because it's early in the morning and I'm just, you know, yeah, whatever. We pull a royal spin. That's great success. Hopefully something good in here. I don't know, the gloves 300. I mean, we take it, sure, we take it. Okay, just gotta keep it going. Temcow, I mean, not the best drop from $100 case, but whatever. Okay, Wildfire, we're still in the lead by almost $200. Okay, another royal spin, that's nice, that's very promising. Can we get some fate perhaps? Okay, gut knife emerald, is it? I don't know, I don't think it is. $400 though, so definitely nice. 2 more cases, Babushka and the gloves. Okay, he pulls the Navaja Doppler, it's fine, and just give me good gloves and we are chilling. These are very good, $300. So yeah, we have 400 from that. Nice, a little double up at the very start, so we definitely take it. And since this battle worked, as I said, we will do it 2 versus 2 now. We go T side, just feeling it kinda, I don't know why. Bot troll, okay, hopefully he doesn't troll the battle, you know, hopefully he gives us some good pulls here. First case without anything, so that's not the greatest start. Okay, the second one is a bit better. Ooh, the gloves are 260 though. Okay, I mean, still winnable, so we're chilling kinda. Okay, see, like just like that. We pull the Glock. Okay, gloves. Ooh, what? That's 330. Yo, man, that's kinda rough, you know. Can we get a royal spin maybe? We need it. We desperately need a royal spin if you want to have a chance at this. Please, no, but I don't know, is it good? Yes, we are back. Yo, we take it, actually. That's insane, what a comeback, guys. 295 though, so we sell it back because it wasn't like too much, but I mean, still a profit. And we still have 4 handles in the inventory, if I'm not mistaken, so that's pretty good. Let's open some electronic maybe, 3 of these. Let's do one all, then we do one arabesque, maybe bunch of galaxies, and blaze joker twice. That's what I'm gonna do, I think. We borrow it, and we borrow it on 90%, 1 versus 1 again. And again, if you win this battle, we just run it 2 versus 2, guys. That's the plan. So yeah, electronic is basically a low percentage case. You already know this if you watch the videos or play on the site. So we are hoping for the spin here. But if we don't get it, we get it. We don't want it to be the deagle. We want it to be anything but the deagle, and it's gonna be the deagle, obviously. So that's like 180. I mean, still, it's a good profit, but you know, yeah. And he pulls right back at me on whole case, so probably I could be screwed here. Okay, I mean, how much? 2,000. Yo, that's quite a lot, to be fair. And he pulls the gloves as well. Damn, I think we are cooked, to be fair, guys. Because the blaze, even if you pull it, how much is it? I mean, no, we can pull M9 Doppler here. Okay, there is a chance, you know, there is a chance on the last case because it's on Joker mode. If we get lucky and if we get the M9 here... Fuck, that's not the M9, man. Give me the M9, please, I dare you. One time. Nah, man. Unlucky. You know what? Like, freeway. I don't know, kinda feeling it, you know? Maybe it's a stupid idea, but let's do it. If we lose, I still have 130 and we can make it work, maybe. Okay, he gets the royal spin. Watch him get something else than the deagle, man. Just... Okay, never mind. That's good. Alright. I got scared for a moment, you know, but it's okay. It's alright, guys. It's alright. Oh, yeah. Whole case now, nothing. Okay. Arabesque, okay, we pull the daggers, fine, we take them. We do take them, in fact. Okay, he gets the gut knife, man. I mean, maybe it wasn't the best idea. You know. Okay, legal. Okay, we're back. Please, last case. Oh man, for real though, he gets the M9, right? I mean, doesn't matter what he gets, yeah, he gets the blaze. Fuck. Oh, broski, what the hell? Let's go. 98, I mean, we can add something for 300, so I don't know, let's add like... What can we add here? Maybe the babushka twice? Can we do that? I think so. Yeah, just barely. Let's do it. Freeway again. Let's just send it like this, guys. This is gonna be the last battle of the video. I still have 400 in the inventory, so worst case scenario, I'm down 200 from this, but better than being, you know, down the whole balance. So definitely gotta take it. Royal spin on the middle. Damn. Hopefully the eagle. Just be the eagle. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Whole case. Give me a royal spin on the left, man. Nah. Only bots can get it. Like, bro, I'm so unlucky. It's crazy at this point. Yeah, he gets the gut knife, of course. Oh, it's gonna be tough. It's... Yeah, another 300 for him. If I went... Oh, man. If I went the reverse mode, you know, I would have lost anyway, because Bula has less. Okay, never mind, we get the royal spin here. I don't know if it can be good enough, because they both pulled some crazy shadow daggers. I mean, 600 for us, not good enough, bro. I'm short $100, give me another one. Fuck, and also bot gets it, man. So close, you know. Yeah, he gets the fade as well, bro. So fucking close. Unlucky. We gotta take it, guys. Still, nonetheless, I would consider this a good video, so I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next ones.